Welcome to Speak With Me by Bijoy from Raghuvansh Public School, Sendhwa. In this, you will hear a conversation between two about a school. Listen to these carefully and complete the blanks with your own speeches. What school do you go to? I go to Raghuvansh Public School, founded in the year 2000. Where is the school located? It's located in Sendhwa of Barwani district, Madhya Pradesh. How does your school look like? It's wonderful. The main building, almost in a closed circle shape, is huge. The academic space consists of 3 blocks, pre-primary, primary and secondary. It has 2 huge playgrounds and a recently constructed indoor stadium. How are the teachers in your school? Most of the teachers there are helpful and friendly. I especially like Amir sir, our psychology teacher. How long have you been studying there? I have been studying there since I was in class 2. Therefore, it is now my 6th year in that school. Do you enjoy studying in that school? And I would like to know why. Although I had to deal with quite a heavy workload like completing homework, I enjoy the balancing atmosphere of the school. Daily games and co-curricular activities help me to relax a lot. Would you like your friends to come to study in your school? Yes, of course. Why not? I feel so happy to be in Raghuvansh Public School and would definitely like students searching for a good school to be in this school. All right. Dear students, you have just heard this conversation between 2 people. And now in the next, fill in the gaps using your own speeches. What school do you go to? Where is the school located? How does your school look like? How are the teachers in your school? How long have you been studying there? Do you enjoy studying in that school? And I would like to know why. Would you like your friends to come to study in your school? All right. The end. Thank you.